Okay, the business end of the UC18 with servo cap. You don't need a stock. Oops. Markless sells a nice stock. This one here, all right. But you know, the stock allows you to have your controls at up here. Your controls at waist high. Fortunately, these are all different sizes, so it's pretty clear where they go. They don't fit anywhere. Okay. All right, and this is essentially a scope stuff, you know, a standard dovetail, your Vixen dovetail. So easy to take on and off. That comes off. Again, nothing. I've done nothing here that changes the default. All right, I'm going to take apart the virtual, well, the bottom part, virtual mirror box. I'll show you the customizations. Okay. So again, one of the challenges is if you want to take the shroud off, you got to take the, excuse me, not that. Stabilizers off. Okay. Put that back on. Again, Mr. Kriege says you don't need those on all the time, but I've always had them on. Okay. So over here, this is your altitude encoder, your altitude encoder arm.